Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we have an Audi Q5 here, 2014 to all the way 2019. It's the same thing. You're probably wondering how you're going to replace this rear wiper blade, but it's very simple. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer so we all can see. So pretty much, first what we're going to do is going to lift it up. After that, I'm going to bring the camera right over to this angle. So all I'm going to do is, at this edge right here, you're just gonna pop this out forward just like that. You see what I did? That's all I did. These two little notches, they grab in there, okay? To put it back, same thing, these two little notches right here. You see this little round piece here and round piece on the other side. So that aligns into, let me show you what's in there. So that is gonna align, okay, so my light was off. So that is gonna align with these two little grooves right here. 1, 2. It's hard to tell on the camera, but that's what they look like. So let me put the camera back to its spot. And to install it back, all you're gonna do is, you're gonna take this little guy and you're gonna align it to those little two notches and you're gonna squeeze. Simple, okay? So anyways, that's how simple it is. To put this wiper down, make sure you clean off the area so it doesn't grab the dust or anything like that, and then you put that back down. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video helped you guys out.